Um, Maybe just the funny things. And one in particular would be guys riding their bicycles down a one-way street shouting freedom, freedom. We can do anything we please. We independent. We independent. So that in particular. I'm not sure what else we. Well, I mean, people were grumbling about changing of the currency. They were grumbling about a lot of things. But that's about what it is.